Quickly capture your cost item data with the JobTread Web Clipper. This tool allows you to browse products online and easily add them to your catalog or on a job budget. First, we need to add the Web Clipper bookmark to our web browser. So let's access JobTread from our web browser, and then also we need to make sure that the bookmarks bar is showing on our browser. If you do not see your bookmarks bar, open your browser's settings to turn it on. Next, navigate to your catalog and locate the Web Clipper icon on the top right. You can also access this setup in the integration settings. We can follow the steps to set up our bookmark. Simply click the Generate Web Clipper button. This will create a key that will link your bookmark to your JobTread account. Next, either click on the orange JobTread Web Clipper button and then drag it to your bookmark bar. Or in some web browsers like Safari, you can right-click on the orange button and create a bookmark from the menu. Now that it is saved in your bookmarks, you're ready to browse the web. Let's head to the Home Depot website. Maybe we'd like to add a specific sync vanity to the catalog. This one looks pretty good, okay. And now we click on the JobTread Web Clipper bookmark, and we'll see it open up in a side panel. You can easily collapse and expand the panel just by clicking on the JobTread logo. Even better, after you open that web clipper, you can use the hotkeys on your keyboard, J and T, to open and close the web clipper. You can choose to add an item to your organization's catalog or a specific job budget. When selecting a job, you'll only see jobs that you have access to within your JobTread account. Then we'll add the cost item details after this. We can enter the cost item details manually, or we can click on the magic wand tool and select the text that we'd like to add for the name in this case. We can also select the text for the description. Maybe we only want to use a portion of this for our description, so simply highlight what you'd like to include. Let's add some files to this cost item. Click the Files button and then select the photos that you'd like to add from the web listing. We'll add a few here. Okay. And then you could also add any PDF documents. So if maybe there's a specifications PDF on the listing, go ahead and add that to the cost item as well. Now let's choose the cost code. Okay, and then of course we need the cost type on the cost item as well. Now we can quickly select the cost from the item listing as well, and a default margin will calculate the client price. Now you also have the option to populate your cost item custom fields, such as your SKU numbers, any of your measurements, and maybe you have some specifications you'd like to pop in there too. Now once you're finished, you'll click Create. You'll then receive a confirmation message that shows that your item was saved to JobTread with a direct link to open the item details in your JobTread account. Now you can add this item to customer orders such as proposals, selections, and more. Now a quick note, some websites have added security measures that do not support the web clipper. In this case, you can create those cost items manually in your catalog or your job budget. Now here's another quick pro tip. Use additional keyboard shortcuts to open the magic wand to reduce clicks when adding cost item details. While you're in the web clipper and that drawer is open, simply enter JN for adding the name with the wand. You could also type in JD for adding the description, or JF for adding a file, and JC for entering the cost. Now, as always, if you have any questions, please contact your customer success manager or email support@jobtread.com.